What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another wonderful video. Technically it's still February 1st, but when you guys see this, it's gonna be February 2nd. So happy February 2nd, you guys. I woke up this morning and literally no power, no internet. It was miserable. I was so ready to like push forward through my day, and it just didn't happen how I planned. So forgive me, but we do have a wonderful, amazing, beautiful package here today from the one and the only magnificent, hold on, let's see, okay, Madam Glam. And I'm so excited, you guys. This is the partial of the February collection. So they sent us 4 colors, and these ones are especially special because look at this. Like, OMG, literally, I am going to freaking freak out, you guys. Oh my, these are like collector's items. Oh my gosh, hold on, you guys. Oh, I'm about to freak out. Okay, I tried not to get all glitters because, like, you know, but wow, this is amazing. You guys, I think I have to wipe off my camera. Hold on. I'll be right back. I'm going to wipe off my camera because I can tell it's not giving you. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, this is much better. So let's get back to business. Okay, what is this called? Hold on. Magic dust. I'm literally so excited. Oh my gosh. I have a tummy ache because that's how excited I am. Like, is this real? How can it be real? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I guarantee, hold on, you guys, let's just do a little experiment. A quick 1-2 moment. Okay, sis, I see you. Oh my gosh, you know, these colors used to be very popular in my day and age, which was in the 90s, early 2000s. This was like, these are like pivotal colors. Yes, Lord. I have seen these colors in my life before, and they are giving 90s vibes, early 2000s vibes. Oh, supernova love. Oh, I'm gonna freak out. Moonchild, literally so beautiful. You guys, it's so stunning. This, I gotta get it better. Hold on, let's see if we can get it better. This, it comes off a little more creamish color on camera, but in reality it's more of a pinkish color. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, this is not it's not giving an accurate read on camera, but this is a very faint pink, and it is literally stunning. And this one, oh my gosh, I love it. What's this one called? Love Energy. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, rest in peace. This is it. There's nothing more to see here. Literally, this is just so stunning. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sharing these colors with Goddess Gang on Scorpion Goddess Nails, baby. You guys know that you can always save 30% on Madam Glam's polishes with my discount code GoddessNails30. They have tons of discounts, and if you become a VIP member, there's additional perks. So save away, but baby, do not sleep, because oh my god, they're so beautiful. And the names, like, oh my gosh, it's giving. I want to see what the rest of the collection is. My girl V, I went on Instagram earlier and I saw that she was swatching these and I was instantly so jealous. Speaking of swatches, why don't I ever swatch anything? I'm literally so horrible. Let's see what we can come up with here. I have tons of swatching sticks. By the way, you guys, surprise, surprise, I have a huge Shein package over here, and I'm gonna be unboxing it, so stay tuned for that. I'm literally so excited. It's literally so huge. I don't even think it's gonna be able to fit on my desk. First, we're gonna swatch Moon Energy, or whatever, a little impromptu swatching moment. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm about to freak. See, this is why I don't do this, because I want to freak out. Like, why so stunning? And y'all know I always love to put way too much, so I always got to go back over to now and take off all the excess. I'm horrible with that. Okay, let me take this off of here. Hold on, you guys. Ooh, don't ruin my swatch. Don't ruin my swatch. Don't ruin. Okay. And okay. Easy enough. Alrighty, let's go ahead and swatch the others. I'm so obsessed. Madam Glam, you guys scored. Like, do not sleep on Madam Glam. Literally, how do you guys do this? Like, I'm literally so obsessed. It's like the colors are one thing, but the names, oh my gosh, this is perfect. It's because it's literally a perfect chrome color. This is penny rust. This is metal. This is not phony, baby. This is not phony. See, this is, oh my god, I need to shut up because I'm just so amazed. Like, wow. Can you please? Okay, let me calm down. Oh my gosh, you guys, I swear. So, in my Goddess Gang giveaway, for the Spam for Spam giveaway, somebody is gonna be winning these colors. Like, I'm definitely making this one of the prizes because I am so obsessed. Oh, this one is that one was Supernova Love, which you guys know I love. This one is Moonchild. Oh my goodness, I am so obsessed. Why is it so good? Now this is so cute. I could do a two-toned. You guys know I'm always trying to do a two-tone Frenchie. I could do a two-tone Frenchie with these two colors. This is beautiful. It's very subtle. It's like it has the slightest hue of pink. Okay. And so what else do we have? We have, last but not least, Magic Dust. And again, now this is giving like a rose gold vibe. This one is giving penny copper vibes. This one here is giving rose gold vibes, which is like, who doesn't die for a rose gold? Oh my god. It's just, how did they, madam, listen, I need you to explain to me, how do you know how to do this so good? Literally obsessed. I'm not capping, you guys. My son told me, he's like, I think it's funny when you say stuff like that, because moms don't usually say stuff like that. Now, the pictures on Instagram and on my blog will be way better to show you guys the colors, and sometimes actually on screen the colors look more accurate than they do when I'm filming. I tend to think that it doesn't look that accurate, but when I go back and watch the film, it looks very accurate. But this is literally rose gold. Like, the pink is so there that is not there, and the gold is so there that it's not there. Like, and that's how you have rose gold. I know that doesn't make any sense, but this, oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the final reveal, and please excuse my Kiara Sky lamp, you guys. I'm sure the newer ones don't have that noise. If anyone at Kiara Sky listened to the complaints about their now lamp. But anyways, on to the next. So thank you so much, Madam Glam. I'm gonna have to go and buy like literally as many of these as I can freaking purchase. Like, I'm just gonna become a VIP member and then buy as many as possible so I can share them with you guys. Oh, let me tell you guys what this collection is called, by the way. I wanna say I can't remember. Hold on. You guys know I suck at remembering stuff. Let me just Google this. Okay, here we go. Okay. It's called the House of Love collection. That's what it's called. It has 8 colors. Astro Love. Oh, here you guys can see. Astro Love, The Chaser, Synergy, Supernova Love, Magic Dust, Love Energy, Moonchild, and then Hard. I think that says, I don't know what that says. I don't know what that one says. Hardcore or something. I don't know. We can always look it up when we go on the website, but we'll do that on my blog post, as you guys know, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. Anyways, it says love is the portal to feeling. Feeling is the portal to strength. House of Love collection. Whether you're in love, out of love, in love with love, or currently hoping you'll never experience a heartbreak again, the tarot can teach you a little something about your desire, your relationships, what might make your heart flutter in the future. Embrace the spirit of attraction inspired by genuine feelings and discover House of Love collection. And then, of course, this will be on my blog site because we got to go onto Madam's website and see what they be talking about or whatever. But anyways, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning into my unboxing of Madam Glam. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. It feels very good to be a part of the VIB club over here at Madam Glam. And you guys, I will have a blog post and we will be creating a nail set with these. Of course, we'll be creating plenty. We have to do our Valentine's nails set and nails sets. I'm just so excited. These colors are so beautiful. And look at this artwork. I felt like it was giving tarot, like very much tarot. But I didn't really know that it was like that out there. Like, this is so amazing. I love the creativity behind this brand. It feels good to be a part of something that is really just beautiful, that you can really enjoy. Wow, look how inspiring this is. Like, this reminds me of a set that like a nail design that V did, Victoria. But yeah, so anyways, all right, well, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you in the next one. Be sure to go over and visit my blog, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. Happy February 1st, aka February 2nd, because that's probably when you guys are going to see this. I love you guys so much. I'm going to talk to you guys in the next one. We are going to be unboxing our Shein, so you guys stay tuned, and I'll holla y'all. Peace.